Hello everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get into service mode on your Bosch WAN 24263ES/31 washing machine. So this will work on Series 4, Series 6. To get into service mode you have to shut the door, otherwise it won't work. But first, you're going to shut the door and you just turn it to the spin, and you just hold the spin button and turn it to mix. You'll get PO1 and E00. PO1 is the door lock test, and you can go all the way up to P30, and you can go backwards too. But you press these buttons, they just won't work, and then obviously that'll start it. The PO2 is the wash, and PO3 is the spin. So if I try to start with the door open, this happens. It just won't work. And the door has to be shut for it to. Now it won't make a noise. It'll just lock and then go beep. Yeah, PO2's the wash. So I think PO2 fills up in all the compartments, then washes or something. I think anyway. And that's it really. Oh yeah, another thing to mention. Oh yeah, it'll beep if you just, everything you do it'll beep. You can change it on other cycles like that. But when you turn it off, say you've been playing around with the settings, like trying to find a wash, say that, or that. And you try and do it like this. So I just turn it to spin and try and do it. It won't work. That's not even because the door's open, because if I do it with the door shut, it still won't work. So if you've been playing around with the settings, you'll have to turn it off until you hit a few clicks, and then you turn it back on when it shows all the lights, and you can just enter it again like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.